Okay, so we are going to take a look at the electric cocktail smoker. We're going to be assisted today by Woodford Reserve Double Oak. It's one of my favorite, and if you haven't tried it, I strongly recommend it. So, pretty simple. The boxing is good quality. You can get these at on Amazon, of course, or any of your favorite liquor stores. They have a user manual here. We're not going to read that. It has a USB Type C cable, has a cleaning brush, has a spoon for scooping out the chips. We'll take a look at that in a few. And it comes with 6 different flavors, which I think is a pretty good choice. So you have the oak, which we are going to use today. You have peach, you have apple, you have pear, cherry, and walnut. So it's pretty simple, the process on this. You're going to take the fumigator or smoker apart. You're going to grab your spoon here. You're going to fill the chips here enough to cover the basket. So I get 2 full scoops in there. That should be enough. Now, put that back on. You want to load this on top of the glass and attach the... there it is. You want to attach the smoking unit to the top. You want to hard press to get the blue light, as you see, and then a quick press to get the green. And I'm going to try to get in a little quickly here so you can see how fast the heating unit starts to process. And you will get a good amount of smoke over about a 20-second disbursement. And you can stop this prior to it finishing itself if you have the desired amount of smoke in your cocktail. But as you can see, the green light is off. The smoke is still there sitting on top of the cocktail. You remove the top. Still get a decent amount of smoke there. And that's it. That is it on the operation of it. It's pretty simple. I'm going to try the other flavors with some different whiskeys I have and bourbons. So let me know if you have any questions, and drinks up.